A major concern for some taxpayers is the lack of review of certain civil penalties. And one of the most draconian penalties is found on 67078. This section imposes mandatory penalties of up to $200,000 for failure to make disclosures of certain listed transactions.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, there is no regulatory process or public comment period involved in determining what should be listed, a listed transaction. So is it possible for the IRS to suspend these penalties until a better review process is implemented?
Yeah, I mean, we've actually looked at this. I would agree with you that, let me just step back for a minute. I mean, the listed transactions were an important thing that the IRS did, which was to put taxpayers on notice that there's certain transactions designed for big corporate tax evasion kind of transactions, tax shelters, that we're going to be looking at that you need to file information on. We recognize that some taxpayers have gotten caught up in this, that the law never presented. We're trying to have dialogue about that. Right now, we think our hands are tied, that the legislation, if I have this correct, and I'll come back to you, is actually we don't have a lot of leeway for us to suspend it, but this is something that we're going to want to talk to. We're in discussions in the administration. We're going to need to be in discussions with Congress because we recognize this is an issue.
Very good. Thank you. And let me take this opportunity to thank you. And sorry that we have so many votes on the floor, but this is the way it goes here.
It's the people's business.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yes. The gentleman is dismissed.